guys. Welcome to our podcast, Waiting on God. I'm your host, Jacinta, and have my friends over here. There's Jane, there's Victor, and there's Eugene. This is the very first episode. Welcome and enjoy. So, hi guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome. Very ready for this.
Very red.
Are you, Jane?
I'm ready.
Yes?
Almost.
Prepared.
Are you ready?
Prepared.
Very prepared. Thank you. So everyone watching us, welcome. This is a topic most of us have experienced. Tumekapitia na that sector. Kugoja, you've prayed, you've fasted, you've done things. Ukigoja ujibiwa maombi. So here it is, discussing it. Welcome. Anything as we start? Any say? Friends? None?
Waiting on God is a very broad topic. And I think we can talk about waiting on God and not finish today.
True.
Because
it's a very long one.
A very long one, in fact. Because in the Bible we have seen people waiting for God even for more than 7 years. We can start with Abraham. Abraham was promised about getting a son and his generation being multiplied like even more than the sand of the beaches. But now at his age 100, he still didn't have a son. That's when he got his rightful child, because Ishmael was his son, yes, but he was not God's choice. So waiting on God is a very broad topic, and I'm glad to enter into it.
We hope the people watching us will enjoy this. And if anyone has kuchangia kidogo, you can. We are open for discussion. So, guys, with the first question here. Waiting on God is not that easy, as we all know. Si rahisi. So, of course, tumekapitia, tuko na experience kidogo here and there. Is anyone open enough to share the experience with me, with us? Anyone?
I think Jane can start for us.
Okay.
She has the topic in her mind.
Okay, we can do that. Let's start.
Okay. So, first of all, I want to say that waiting on God is not easy. And I think that hata kwa watu wenye wako na a relationship that is so deep with God, they understand that it is not easy.
It is not.
So you can imagine a person who does not know about God that much, and maybe you're anapitia something, and you're there telling them that they should be patient with God, yet they have not met with, kukuwa na intimacy with God.
Yeah, true.
It's so difficult actually hata kumuongelesha. So in my case, si mara moja, si mara mbili, si mara tatu. But
Mekapitia.
yes. But something that keeps me going is the fact that when I'm waiting on God, there are 3 answers. There is yes, there is no, and there is wait.
True.
So most of us as humans, we expect that because he said that he has good plans for us, and he has said that we should ask and he will give. Because niya amesema.
Yeah,
Niya amesema, so unaona.
Yes.
So you're there as a Christian or a non-Christian, waiting on this God to give you what you want. And then anakuambia ungoje. What do you mean ingoje?
Na ionyeshi time.
Ajaniambia to what
Nitakuja
period I'm
lini?
supposed to wait, you get? So I'm like, how do you know kama ni wait? Ama ni no?
Ama ni no.
Now
Sana
why-
sana hiyo
why-
pati ya no
why-
hatutakangi
now
kusikia
why
is a
is it a no?
Yes.
Hapo kwa why? Ngoja tu. Wanasemaga that God does not explain himself.
Yes.
Hapo
true.
kwa why, hapo ndo most people lose faith in God. Hadi unapata they are astray in what they do. waiting on God, mi naweza sema waiting on God is
A tricky thing.
ni
Ni
tricky.
tricky.
Ni tricky, yes. But there's also some benefits because anasemaga waiting on God unaweza kuwa you are waiting on God but you are still doing something. Sinasikia waiting ni kama you are having faith that God will do it. Ukiwait bado you are doing something. Wezi niambia ati you are waiting for God for a car and then you are there kazi yako
Hauna
naamka.
pesa.
Si pesa inaweza kuwa una yes but kazi yako ninaamka asubuhi uko TikTok, Instagram first
Movies,
thing in the morning.
Netflix.
Unaamuka uko hapo, what are you waiting for?
Na unataka Range Rover.
Unataka Discovery, wacha Range Rover.
True.
Ama hivi 8 ingine imetokea.
Defender.
Bas.
Si rahisi. Si rahisi by the way. Si ndio wadu
Yeah,
experience
si
hiyo.
rahisi,
Si rahisi. He, tumekapitia wengi naonekana tuko na experience.
Something to say.
Yes, please.
It is not in vain waiting on God.
Yeah, true.
It is not. It is never in vain. When he says no, anajua because unaitisha gari saizi, aujui hata kudrive. Nikikupatia hii gari saizi, uende you have an accident, will you blame me?
No. So it's a no sometimes
For protection.
inakuja, yes, as a form of protection.
Yes, because maybe you're not ready for that blessing that you want. Si ya sahizi. It will not fit you right now.
True.
Jesinda nikupatia 1 million saizi. There's nothing you will do with it because you're not ready for it.
Atafanya kitu but it will not be right. Ama ita contribute to building her future.
Na saa hizo nilikuwa nimeomba kutoka kwa God, nipei 1 million, nitafuata nikuplease tu, alafu nikishapata mimi huyo
Jacinta huyo sherehe.
nishapotea.
Hapo kwa kupotea sana tunaanza kupotea in waiting because tunaambiagwa sini patience.
Yeah, true.
Patience is a fruit of the Holy Spirit, si ndio?
Yes.
Sasa hapo kwa fruit being hadi kungojea God, mi naona it comes from him. Juu you as a man waiting on God is something that you cannot do on your own. You need the Holy Spirit in you to guide you on how to wait on God.
Yes. And
Be-
you need patience.
Patience sana
Patience,
sana.
yes.
Patience. Waiting on God inakufunza kuwa na patience hadi kama hauna patience ingine iko tu noma.
That's why we are saying that patience is a gift.
Yeah, it's a gift by the way.
Si kila mtu kuwa patient.
Si kila mtu. Si kila mtu.
Si ati kila mtu, most of us our patience inakuwaga na limit.
Okay, yes,
Kila
tuko na
mtu.
ka patience kadogo,
Yeah.
lakini sasa iko limited, si ndio?
Yeah.
Kuna vitu utafanya uko like lazima
Lose hope.
Shake.
and-
Sasa.
inaisha.
Penye
Na
penye
ndio
imefika
like
cheka.
waiting on God inakupeanga as a believer uko more into Christ, kuna that renewed hope each time
True.
like you're waiting on God, because wezi niambia as I would said ukigoja God in that waiting na you are like an unbeliever, unafika point ulikuwa umeexpect kitu ifanyike and then inakosa kufanyika. What do?
You
Kwani
go
ni
back to your old
lazima
ways. Yes.
unajirudia uko
Yes.
like no, hapana. Ni kama tu God anisaidii, una lose tu faith, bedhe mtu unafikanga tu time unakasirikia God, si ndio?
But it is allowed.
Inshallah.
It's allowed.
Alafu pia tunaambiagwa naona at the moment tunaenda like umebakisha one step to reach the goal yenye God alikuwa anataka ufike, that's where you give up.
Alafu faith yako inakuwa tested hapo tu,
Your last step hapo tu,
breakthrough inaenda ku happen.
sasa hapo ndo the
unakuwa
world falls on
tested.
you.
Wewe una lose faith, mambo yote
Dunia
yote
inakuangukia hapo tu. But wanasemaga God anasemaga you cannot be tempted beyond what you can bear.
Yes.
So hapo hivyo kwa ku lose temptation ama to fall into temptation, it is si temptation to fall, yani wait on God inakuwaga ni kama process ya kutubuild. Sasa pale mwisho kwenye tunakuwa na reward ya kungojea God, hapo ndo huwa tunakuja ku lose. But like mmengojea God for some time sasa umekuwa ufike hii point akupatie sasa kenye ulikuwa unangojea, unafika hapo alikuwa kubuild sasa, unaona but no me I cannot, but kuna kitu nakwambia ndani yako, wait push a little longer, he's coming, but you make a choice, you decide it is too much. Hii yote nimepitia, kwani God does not know me, amenisahau? Because sometimes unapata umesema kwani God amenisahau, kwani God he's the knower of all, amenisahau? How?
On that Eugene, pia changia kidogo. Hiyo vile amesema inafika point uko like kwani Mungu amenisahau. Ushaifika point kama hiyo, umeexpect kitu unasema God tu nikumbuke, alafu tu unaona umesahaulika. Ushaifika point kama hiyo?
Kweli nishaifika.
Ushaifika? Nini ilikusaidia like ku overcome that phase?
Sasa kitu mimi ilinisaidia just nilikuwa na hope, and nijigive hope, nikasema when you have faith, God is the possessor of it.
Yeah, true.
Kama amesema umuogoje, surely utapata. Kama venye ukiona ile scenario ya Hana, aliogojea on God, akakuwa committed in prayer in spite of the challenges alikuwa nayo ya Penina, bado aliendelea kumtumainia Bwana, akazidi kumuomba Bwana, na finally aliweza kumpata. So kwa hivyo, because of the faith he had and the commitment, when you have the commitment, surely you will get it. If you commit yourself, if you have that faith, surely you will have it.
Yeah, true. Na maybe uko na Bible verse ama song yenye ikifika hiyo point unaona like God amenisahau, hakuna kitu anafanya. Uko na that every time like una feel kama faith yako inaenda chini na hope, unaendaga to back to that song, to that Bible verse unasoma. Ama ziko mingi.
Hapo kwa song, me I usually listen to Obinegwe by Minister GUC. Inatukumbushaga how what God has done for us that we did not deserve.
Yeah, true.
Like the things that we get mostly in life, you can look at your past and say, I truly did not deserve this, but I had it. Not because of my own what I did, but because of the grace that God had in my life and the favor that God kept in my life. So sometimes tunakuwaga at our end, but the only thing that we desire, that we need to do is remember, if God has taken me through this, what is this compared to all that? God is our able God.
Alafu pia like unaonanga vitu Mungu amekufanyia huko ni mingi sana compared to whatever like you're waiting. So uko too thankful each and every time zime happen. Na place yenye umefika, if it was not for the grace of God, haungekuwa nazo.
Ni privilege tu.
Exactly. So unakanga tu naambia tu Mungu hapa asanti. Hadi kama whatever I'm hoping haijafika, at least kwenye niko si kwenye nilikuwa kitambo, si ndio? As we speak on that, kuna challenges by the way tunapitianga waiting on God. Sasa tuanzie na Jane, tukuje hivi tu. Challenges umepitia moja tu. Yeah.
So of course challenges ni mingi.
Ni mingi.
Tutaje moja kwanza.
Of course najua pia our viewers, kila mtu ako na challenge amepitia when you're waiting on God, because it's never easy. One, inafikanga point you give up on God. Una feel like nataka kama nimeomba, nimefast, nimefanya everything, I will not do nothing else.
Yeah, true.
You know, sasa wewe fanya venye unataka.
Bebe nafika nimesema nimekaa tu fanya
nimefika, just do what you want.
Yeah, true.
Yes, that's nani mbaya.
I know. Alafu hapo hadi nafikanga point hauombi.
Ndio hivyo sasa.
Alafu sasa ile relationship ulikuwa umedevelop na God ilikuwa close, inaanza kudrift juu mwenyewe unajisikizanga unasikia. Lakini kuna time nilikuwa na pass through like TikTok, came across a video ikisema that sisi tukifeel kama like God ame drift away from us, it is not that way. Ni sisi
Tumeondoka penye, tumemwacha,
but yeye ako
ako pale
still
pale.
close to us.
yes.
So sisi ndo tunatoka.
That's why he says that he's always waiting for you to come back. He's where you left him.
Yes.
And I love that, the fact that he's not a human. He's ready to take you back. No matter
Unchangeable God.
your situation,
No matter what.
you no matter your burdens,
Yes.
no matter the sins, ama venye unajifeel uko disgusted by yourself, he will still take you back
Yeah, true.
with love, you know.
Kwanza ile mingi tena sana.
Yes.
Ndio huwa anasema in the Bible, now let us reason together. If your sins are as red as scarlet, they can be washed to be as white as snow,
Yeah, true.
but not through our own.
We do not praise God because of who we are, but because of who he is. Because tukisema ni sisi
Utakuwa
unaendaga
naiba
chini,
glory, utakuwa naiba
ndio?
glory ya God.
Yes, kabisa, true. So to you, Victor, any challenge? Of course.
Challenge iwezi kosa. It has never lacked. Ana tunaambiago that being a Christian is where your life gets to be simple and true. By the way, it's true, anasemaga take up my yoke because my yoke is easy and light.
Yeah.
But in that yoke, anasemaga, but also take up your cross. If you're willing to follow me, take up your cross and follow me. Taking up your cross si ati ni you just ati ni msalaba physical na beba. Is the sacrifices that you do.
Yeah.
Because the cross in the Bible signified that hapo ndo Christ alipeana his own life for us. Hapo, so the cross was signifying that we should also make our sacrifices. There are things in our life that we should lose in order to make up with Christ.
Yeah, true.
So in this waiting on God, nasema see the challenges that we have tunapitia, they are not there to discourage us, ama they are there to strengthen us. Mostly utapata at times we are passing through something, but you are waiting on God to take you out of that problem, ama out of that challenge. But God anasema hii si challenge ya kukushinda, it is there to train you, to mold you.
Saa zingine inakuanga kama test.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
just a
true.
test.
Kwa test,
Yes,
nione
yes.
how much longer you can wait for.
How much you can dwell
Na
in.
later on hizo challenges zinakujanga kuwa testimonies. Because ukikapitia hivyo alafu tena tu grace kushukie, lazima ukuje utestify vile tu God amekuwa.
Yes, in the suffering, lazima kukue na a point where you glorify God
Yeah,
through
true.
whatever you went through. Lazima anakupatia a reason
Yeah.
for you to, you know, God anataka kujisikia yeye ni God. Kwa hivyo lazima utasimama na useme that God did this, it is him that
It
did
is
it for me.
him.
It
Yes,
is him
yes.
and him
Nilipitia
alone.
hii na hii, but I was able to overcome because he was by my side. Not because I was so strong, not because I was so deserving. Ni grace yake tu.
Aye.
It's because of grace. Na pia hapo tunasema that it is not by our own strength. Hadi unaona hizi challenges tunapitia, si ati zinakuwa, as I said, ni sio za kutu discourage ama kutuvunja moyo, ni zile za to build up even for tomorrow. Utaenda pia ikiwa testimony.
Yes.
And someone somewhere was at his end and his situation was the same as yours, ama ilikuwa kidogo tu kiasi kuliko yake.
So inakuwa
Alafu
encouragement.
anakuangalia umefika hapa and you are the same place as me. I'm not going to give up.
you're
I'm
not
going to
giving
push
up.
on to this God, manze. Eh?
Kabisa.
You're going to be a testimony one day.
Yeah, true. Eugene, back to you.
Kwangu sasa challenges zilikuwa mingi sana. Some point una feel yani hakuna mtu mwenye ako upande yako, yani
Yeah,
that
uko tu
you
peke
have
yako.
no help, yani senye Mungu ako silent kwako. Unajaribu kuomba, umefast, umefanya nini, lakini there is no answer.
Yeah.
But there is a verse in the book of Matthew, I can't remember the verse, but it is in Matthew. Inasema that with all your burdens, nipatie na mimi nitazikari.
Yeah,
Sasa
true.
nikisikia hivyo ninajua kuwa burdens zangu haziwezi nihinda
Yeah.
kwa kile kinye Mungu amenipangia.
Amekupangia, true.
Juu
Yes.
alisema nipatie na mimi nitakubebea. So
yeah, true.
hiyo inanipeanga nguvu sana. Saa zingine ndio ninajua niko na Mungu ako na mimi na hata wainiacha milele na milele. Hata hizo burdens zikuje, hata hizo burdens zikuwe mingi, ni hiyo challenges yote itakuja kuisha.
Eventually. On that, kuna part inafikanga unakuwa like, hey, God amenyamaza, there is no sign at all. Una feel tu uko stagnant, hausongi, uko tu hapo. Maybe ni job, ni shule, anything you want in life, because tuko na vitu mingi tunatakanga. So kama tuseme ni hiyo job, applications tunatumanga
mingi
Pesa zinaishia kwa makaratasi.
umetama so uko like nikipeleka mi naomba tu God at least hadi application moja
At least.
ipatikane. Tuseme kama uko shule unaomba like manze nataka tu nifikishe this point, so unipe sikuna ile tunaambiwa knowledge.
Ukikumbuka umelala school hata hujalala
I know, unasoma.
Mwisho wa grade unapata
Unashanga aiendanishi na vile ulikuwa umefanya. So uko like, hey, God amenyamaza.
Like I have done my part.
So
Why are
I'm
you
waiting
not
for God
playing
to
your
do
part?
my part,
Yes.
to do his part, I
Yes.
mean.
On that
so uko
note,
like, nini like imekusaidia ku overcome such a phase?
na at that part kuna preaching ilisikia somewhere ilikuwa inasema that God akiona certain challenge inakufanya you get closer to him ataiprolong. Yani unapitia certain challenge inakwambia unapitia kitu difficult and the more you are in that difficulty the more you are seeking God, the more you are loyal to him, God ataifanya you will stay there for long so that you even mature up to know that even after this I will still serve God the same way I have.
True.
It is to build us, not mostly to destroy us.
True. Because kuna time inafikanga watu tunakapitia na job by the way. Umeapply mwezi ya kwanza, ya pili, ya tatu, bedhi inaendaga hadi mwaka, hadi more than a year, si ndio? So uko like hii imekaa haifiki, alafu hakuna kitu mbaya kama ukiwa hivyo hauna progress yoyote, alafu uko na friends wana succeed. Si ndio? Wewe umesacrifice, uko shule ulali, una sacrifice time yako, alafu mtu mwenye hadi akwangi serious darasa manze ndo anakushinda. Umetafuta job, umekuja tu closer to God.
I know.
And then mtu mwenye hadi ana shughuli na God manze ndo anapata kazi.
Hata si kazi tu, hadi kwa darasa you find that the one that is most careless, the one that is the worst, that hadi you sometimes your actions tells that huyu mtu hayuko kwa God. That person unapata ndo ana succeed in things, but sometimes inaniambiaga nilikuwa nasikiza Apostle Joshua Selman anasema that you don't worry about people progressing. Our God is big enough for both of us. So alikuwa anasema our God is the lifter of men, that one day naona yote the progress they have been doing for 10 years he can make it be more than that 10 years in one night. That unaweza kuwa he's the restorer of men. And kama kuna restoration in kwa ile ni history ya Job, alikuwa amepoteza like tuseme 5 times, but alirudishiwa more than. That's what God does. Akirestore arudishi kwenye ilikuwa, he raises you a bit higher. Our God is a marvelous God. Tunaambiagwa each and every time we seek to be in his presence. True. Always.
But let me tell you something. At this moment in my life, I don't have sina space ya ku give up on God. Sina time sina yani platform ya ku give up on God. Especially when I remember the story ya Job, inani encouragegi sana, because that guy went through a lot. And I'm like, mimi kenye napitia ni less than what he went
Yeah,
through.
true.
He lost everything, but he still stood firm with God. Hasa mimi hii yangu kidogo ya kukosa kazi, sijui
Inafanya ukasirike huku.
sijui sina pesa ya kiatu, sijui sina marafiki wangu wanafanya better than I am.
Mambo ya dunia hayo.
Pia let me tell you, your time is your time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Na time yako ikifika,
Yes.
grace inakuanga over, like inakuwa mingi
Yes.
vile huko una expect.
True.
Alafu inakufungulianga milango
Yes.
zenye hadi wewe huko una expect zifunguke.
Kweli.
Unafunga hata place uko like wait, nimefika aje hapa?
Yeah.
Unaona like
Unakuwa
inakufungulia
surprised.
qualifications zingine
True,
zenye
true,
huko umepangia.
Plus the favor of God.
Yes,
We don't need the documents to
Yes.
enter places. The
There is
grace,
favor.
the favor of the Lord is sufficient and inatutetea.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
Yes.
So our time inasonga, so probably some few question before like time ishe. There's a time unakanga unajiuliza aje, is it denial ama is it an answer? Si ndio? Uko like okay, sawa, hii imefanyika,
And that is that.
is it denial ama is it, umefika such a point, experience such a thing
Abu rudia tena.
like umeomba kitu teme kuperform ama job and something happens, maybe ujafika kwenye kama kwa masomo like uja attain whatever you are expecting, na kwa job ujapata hiyo job, something tu inakuja inakuzuia kwenye ulikuwa na expect upate job, si huko. So unajiulizanga, is it denial ama is it an answer from God?
Well, it's like sasa tuseme in a platform kama ya job.
Yeah, ya job.
Tuseme nilikuwa nimeapply a certain hotel. I
Yes.
wanted that place.
Yes.
But God gave, okay, nikapata place ingine.
Okay,
Ama
no, like
nikakosa.
hivi. No, iko hivi. Umeapply job at a certain hotel. Process imeenda vizuri, umeitishwa documents, umeenda
Interviews.
Yes, interviews, umeambiwa uingie for practice kiasi hivyo.
Yeah.
Hivyo. And then like the final unagoja uambiwe aje, ingia kesho, anza kesho. Wanakataa kureply. Umeget?
Ati
Unaelewa?
we will call you. Mnaambia we will call you.
They just go silent.
Sindio, si wanakwambiaga we will call you after the
Yeah,
interview.
to
We will
inform
call
you,
you.
yes.
Mhm.
Na
You never
ulikuwa
hear
na
from them
expectation
again.
ya nitafika hapo.
So sometimes tunaambiagwa God has a plan for everything.
Yeah,
Maybe
true.
this was your target to get at this level, but God's plan for you was to go to a higher level.
Yes.
So unaweza kuwa wewe unaona kama ni denial ama ni kama no ama ni wait. But sometimes even God in silence, he's still speaking. That silence means that maybe he's working for a greater thing for you, or maybe there's something that you need to do in order to attain what you want. Sometimes inakuwaga ni kitu unangojea ama ni wewe una delay for that something to happen in your life. For example, mzazi alikuwa amekwambia sisi tukiwa wadogo vile tulikuwa tunaambiwa na mzazi ati kuja number 1 I will buy you something.
Yeah.
Kuja top 10 I will get you something. You know this is what you have to do, kusoma and being good in class. And not just learning, you learn smart. But wewe ndo huyo jioni asubuhi kausingizi man kameshika ama ni mimi tu nilikuwa hivyo.
Kukue na mvua.
Bas get this position, this is your prize. But the road from this position from where you are to the position that you want the prize to be, it is a very long journey.
It is a long journey.
Hapo sasa that's where most of us hapo waiting on God we lose it, ama sometimes most of us tunapotea hapo, ama we get encouraged or we get the prize that we are asking for.
Yeah, true. So naona time yetu imesonga. To our viewers, we still have more chances to talk about this topic. Tutaiongelea zaidi, but as of today kitu tu nataka kusema, when waiting on God, please have faith, have patience, you're not alone. Pia it's good like upate that closer relationship na Mungu, that in a way uko open, experience any challenge, like you can run to God, umwambie kuna vile tu hivi haiendi, please give me peace of mind. But there, waiting on God inahitaji peace, because if you don't have peace and patience, kitakweramba.
And remember the peace that you need,
Yes.
he's the one that provides. Anasemaga,
Yes,
he gives peace that surpasses men's understanding.
Yes, yes, yes,
So in order for us to wait in God, to wait for God, we need God for us to wait on him.
Yeah, true.
Like waiting on God is ni kitu unaweza jaribu ku understand, but all you need is just him to guide you on how to wait on him.
Yeah, true.
And also making the right decisions that you know are not in your conscience, yenye haitakuumiza wewe, like you are in your conscience time. So I think we'll stop there for today.
Yeah, we'll stop there for today. Thank you so much for listening to us, and thank you guys for joining me. It is such a pleasure. Hii conversation ni tamu, by the way.
Part 2.
Sindio? So next time on episode 2, we'll be there. Our topic, as I had said, is waiting on God. As you're following us, if you have any like comments, suggestion, questions you want us to discuss, mnaweza tuuliza, hatuwezi kataa. But for now, we stop here, and thank you so much for watching us, and you guys for being there. Adios. Till next time.
Adios, amigos.